Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, I'm going to talk to you about the Releasit story, how Releasit began from the beginning to where we are today. Stick around to find out more. So the story begins with me back as a guy in my early 20s, and I'm in my cleaning business and I'm doing carpet cleaning. And I got into commercial carpet cleaning. Now back in the 80s, we were doing a lot of retail stores and malls. Everything was carpet. So I found that doing mall carpet was really a great way to build my business. Now there's not as much carpet in malls today, but there's still a lot of commercial carpet around. So commercial carpet cleaning is still holding on strong. But back in the day, I tried everything to eliminate the problems that were common with commercial carpet. We tried rotary machines followed with extraction. We tried the von Schroeder method, which is a low foam machine because we're having problems with recurring spills. We tried bonnet cleaning. We tried hose, powder. We really tried everything. We tried rotary extractors. We finally landed on the Chemstractor machine, which is a rotary machine with a vacuum attached to it. It was a cool machine back in the day. A lot of different things that we approached, and everything was coming up short. I mean, we tried everything. The reason I kept trying everything is because nothing was working for commercial glue-down carpets. Keep in mind, commercial glue-down carpet is very dense, compact carpet glued to the floor. There's really not a lot of airflow when we're cleaning it, so spills go all the way to the floor and then come back up during the wicking process, so you see recurring spills. And the carpets get loaded with soil, so they get some grungy traffic lanes. So it was very common to see recurring spills in traffic lanes that we battled with. Just trying to get them clean and perfect in a commercial environment was a real challenge for us. So finally, we landed on encapsulation. Using a polymerized detergent that would crystallize and dry brittle, finally we were onto something. We recognized quickly that this was going to change everything. About that time, we also discovered the Cymex machine. Well, we didn't discover it, it had been around since the early 1930s, but we put together the Cymex machine with the polymerized detergent, kind of chocolate meets peanut butter moment there, and we came up with the Releasit Cymex game plan. So Releasit was our brainchild. We came up with that. We worked with some good chemists to produce the product line. And our first product is what you see over here on your left, Encap-1. Originally that was called Encap-Clean. We rebranded it because Encap-Clean DS2 continued to evolve. But this is the original formula. It has tea tree oil in it. It mixes at 4 ounces per gallon, super concentrated. That's really what put Releasit on the map. Just a phenomenal cleaning product. We still have the formula in our line and people still love it. So if you haven't tried Encap-1, you might want to give it a try. It's a double strength product just like Encap-Clean DS2. Encap-Clean DS2, the number 2, comes in because we changed the formula and we worked with that to improve what we were doing from Encap-1, made a few modifications, and this product has continued to move forward as we've changed the formula and made it better through the years. Now keep in mind, I started my cleaning business back in the 80s. We started the Releasit products around 2002, 2003, right in there, the end of 2002. So this has been around for over 20 years. And we've had a lot of feedback and working with customers, and we've really worked to engineer something that's going to produce exceptional results, something that's going to clean well, dry brittle, release from the carpet during the post-vacuuming phase, and leave the carpet more soil resistant. The next product in our product line that we came up with is Encap-Punch. Now Encap-Punch is a encapsulation pre-spray. So this product you put down as a pre-spray like you would with any pre-spray. However, it's also very carefully balanced with encapsulation properties, so it's going to dry brittle and, like our other products, resist resoiling. Wonderful product. It works extremely well as a pre-spray for our other products or as a standalone pre-spray in a hot water extraction application. If you're doing hot water extraction, definitely want to try Encap-Punch because it's not going to leave a residue like a traditional pre-spray would, because anything that's left in the carpet after you've cleaned it will continue to vacuum out of the carpet, and again, it's going to leave the carpet more soil resistant than before you cleaned it. Finally, we're going to move over here to Encap-HydrOx. Encap-HydrOx is a hydrogen peroxide-based encapsulation detergent. And like our other products, dries down brittle and comes out during the post-vacuuming process. Now, Encap-HydrOx, it was very challenging to get this to work because hydrogen peroxide is a very volatile, if you're going to get a very potent version of hydrogen peroxide, super strong environment, as well as the fact that it's very much on the acid side. In concentrate, this is like between 3 and 4 pH, so it's super on the acid side. But we worked with our chemists and again came up with something very special. So if you're dealing with organic soils, or if you're dealing with browning, ice melt residue, anything that you'd want to use hydrogen peroxide or an acidic based detergent, you definitely want to give Encap-HydrOx a try. We move over here, on this side we come to Bio-Encap. Now what we did here is we took raw ingredients that were DFE certified, designed for the environment, and we put that together to develop a product that would be really geared for people that are focused on green cleaning. Again, great encapsulation properties, cleans well, and so if your niche is green cleaning, you definitely want to give Bio-Encap a try. Next we have Encap-Spot. It's a very special spot cleaner. It's a multi-purpose spot cleaner that can go after just about any spot you throw at it. So all you need to do is just douse a little bit on a rag and blot it. You might have to do that a couple of times, just blotting it, dabbing and blotting, gently rubbing the carpet with like a microfiber cloth works extremely well, and it doesn't have to be extracted like a traditional spot cleaner. In fact, if you had a really tough spot and you had to use a specialty spotter like a red relief type product, you could actually go behind it and douse and blot it a couple of times with Encap-Spot and you wouldn't even need to rinse it. So great way to simplify your spot cleaning process. So altogether, these products are really exceptional. That's why Releasit has the reputation that it does for leading the industry with encapsulation cleaning. So I'm going to put links to all of these products in the description below if you want to check them out. All of these products will definitely help you max your Encap. So if you would, give us a thumbs up, share your comments, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thank you for watching Encap TV.